Finally, I have the biggest portion. 100 chocolates at once. Danny only has one, which is just ridiculous. I don't think so. In my opinion, there's nothing funny about it.
Soup.
Look, there are several chewing gums in this package
Soup.
at once. It's just great. Mia, I'm sorry, I didn't think I'd hit you. Well, let's get started. Now I'll show you how real
Soup.
gum fans work. It would be great if they didn't throw garbage
How
everywhere. You're so addictive. Looks weird, but it's very
Every day is gassy. Will call kuya? Okay. Suba. Hot.
You should be working in circus.
Hot.
I hope that's a compliment. If so, thank you. Bravo. They look great. Now it's your turn.
Soup. Let it go. Let it go. Oh, soup.
Easy for me, and I can always put it in my mouth like
Let it go. Let it go.
I think it's time to burst it. Sorry, Mia, but I can't help myself. No! What have you done, Danny? I can't see anything. Probably because
Coba.
the splashed all over my face.
Oh, dali. Oh. At subo. Soup. Dali na. Dali. Noodles. Noodles. Dali. Dali na. Say, oh. Very good.
It works, but now it's falling. Oh, try to catch it. Well, you think
Ghost fighter background. Oo, malalaglag kasi. Ay! Ay! Soup na lang, soup.
already ready, so it's time to get up. See what day it is today.
Soup.
Really forgot. It's Halloween on the calendar. This is good news. It's time for terrifying pranks. First, you need to test one. Now let's start preparing the first prank. I need a balloon, a white cloth, and a black marker for it. Look, it's a real ghost.
Noodles.
I didn't expect that it would turn out so powerful.
Soup.
I'll hang it.
Sige, soup. Egg.
Great. Still sorry.
Yeah, egg.
This is my tale. Here's to a minute.
Yep, soup and egg.
Right here, right under her nose. That's not all. I had
Egg.
I'll try to put them on the hand. It turned out great.
Soup and egg.
Inside, it remains to scatter the balls all over.
Soup and egg.
Imagine what will happen if you step on them. And the final touch is
Soup and
fries.
egg. Soup and egg.
Don't even want to let it out of my hands, but
Dali, matatapon.
I would choose.